What's up? GPG here with another session. This session is called The Secret Behind Coronavirus. And this is going to be a crazy session because I saw something last night, actually, yesterday on news, and I thought to myself that I got to do this. So let's just jump into this. So, you all know what's happening right now with the war. Started from China, we got coronavirus coming up, and in this session I'm going to basically show you my view of what's happening to the world right now, in terms of which I believe it's just another daily structure. Okay, so problem, reaction, solution, as we all talk about it in Forex, but now in more macro level in a worldwide. So you all know I never actually make you guys agree with me. Like, I tell you guys my opinion and I give you guys knowledge, what I know, so you can go actually research it yourself, and then realize, is it actually true or not? I don't want you to believe me. I just want you to listen to me for a 45 minutes probably, and see what I have to tell you, which this coronavirus is a problem reaction solution. So for those that you don't know this problem reaction solution, it's basically, with another name, Hegelian dialectic. If you read Forexia free book, you should be aware of it. However, if not, it's all good. You can read it now or later. So it's a framework for guiding thoughts and actions into conflicts that leads to synthetic solutions, which can only be introduced only once those being manipulated take a side that will advance the predetermined agenda. Now, this problem reaction solution, guys, works with emotion, works with human psychology. Okay, you all see it in the market every single day. If I wanted to tell this to someone that is not trader, I'm gonna have a hard time, because they might not they might don't understand the fear that actually exists in their day-to-day lives. But as a trader, you have fear of missing out, you have fear of getting in, you have fear of losing, you have a lot of different kind of emotion coming to you when you are trading. And trading, we did prove multiple times, for the past 5 years, Forexia is proving everybody that this is a problem reaction solution. So you cannot argue with me about trading. Now, this is just gonna be a more macro level. So for me, I believe the solution always starts first. There's gonna be a solution that needs to be, someone needs to get it. And then there's gonna be problem, that be created, to fulfill this. So you can see this. What I'm trying to show you now is something that is in front of your face, but you can't see it. You're watching it, but you can't see it. That's golden eyes that I talk about all the time. Something that you should be able to understand and see it. Now, the problem here, if now come and watch this from the point of view of me. The problem here is the virus itself. Now, it needs to be something big. There is a different purpose for this problem. But creating a virus that goes worldwide, everybody's, every day more people getting into this, and they need to be, taken care of. Countries shutting down, and, it's getting bigger and bigger. So problem is created. The time that people was saying, stay strong, Wuhan, was the time that nobody believed this is gonna be a problem. And now it's just like a consolidation, guys, in Forex market. When market consolidates at the beginning, nobody believes it's consolidating. They think it's going to go up or down. But when it stays there, then they're like, oh, price consolidating. Okay. Now they wait for the breakout. Traders wait for the break after that problem is created. What is the problem? What is the reaction after the virus? This is what's happening right now. This is 3 websites. I just randomly Googled worldwide news and 1 Canadian news. And you can see I highlighted the words coronavirus and COVID-19. Okay. Before I go to any other, to my next slide, I want to show you how many times they're saying it. And I said, problem and reaction, that reaction works with human psychology. When we talk about M formations, we talk about 3 push. We talk about 3 touch to the trend line. All this human psychology that is into that Forex market and Forex basically patterns. Now in here, it's a fear again, but in a different level. Not just to traders, not just about money. Now it's just about your life, your fear of dying, fear of getting sick, fear of world goes to shit and you have nothing to, survive. Okay? And other than that, we talk all the time about affirmation, guys. We say that you have to say affirmations, it's good for you, you can manifest. And what's going to happen if you just read this every single day? Every hour you open it, you turn on the TV, you either hear it, you will see it, you will read it, you're going to manifest it. So if you ask me, coronavirus isn't even fucking like a flu. It's just a mind, like they're gonna put it in front of your face, give you the fear, you're gonna think about it. What's gonna happen to you? You're gonna manifest. Your body gonna create that problem for you. You don't have to get that virus. You can create that virus for yourself with your mind. Your mind is the most powerful thing you have. You can use it in a best way, or you can use it to get corona. Yeah, that's my opinion. So what happened after you see all this going mad? That's what you're gonna see. I actually went there myself and visit one of them, and Walmart, it was literally like this. Okay, so this is the panic, this is the fear. Yeah, I got egg. I got 1 egg. I came back because there was nothing else. No water, no toilet paper, nothing. So, I could have a breakfast right after this session. So this is the panic. This is that, reaction that they wanted you to take. Okay. So what's the solution? Now getting interesting. This is what I was watching when the whole idea of creating this session came to me. Well, I said at the beginning, I want to help you in this session that you basically see it. You're watching it, but you're not seeing it. Okay. This is deep. Okay. This is not just it. Just stay with me. So this guy was talking. You can see the subtitle every day, and there is always a seller. So I think, seller came there, buyer when the liquidity went down. Blah, blah, blah. That's what I was hearing. All respect to you guys, Mr. Scott. I don't believe you. All right. Now, I'm looking at that chart. I'm like, give me a second. I don't even know what that is. Well, let's zoom in. All right. We have a support, right? Market failed to go down. Last inducement. Use your eyes. You can see this high was slightly broken. Okay. And market trap and then goes for the liquidity. Then creates uptrend, create also a downtrend, break and retest the downtrend, which is a confirmation for buy, uptrend right here. There, where I circle right here is basically that trap, which in my opinion, after this drop, only dumb money trying to be smart money, people trying to be next Warren Buffett, trying to buy stocks at low after seeing just one drop like this, those are getting trapped, and then market continue to going down. Okay, so we always say for structure to be completed, there always gonna be something that they're gonna blame. People don't like to see, because the trap happened here and their money gonna go. They don't want to see this, they don't want to hear it, so they will create that problem, the virus. So people, they blame this, what you see in front of your face, on effect of the virus. So you can't really say anything. And what better than investors going mad because stocks are going down? Also, you gotta stay at home. You can't really go out because you're gonna die. Not only you lost your money, you might gonna get the virus, and you better go use whatever you have left to stack up, toilet paper and water, so you go broke again. That's the purpose of financial crisis. What happened in 2008? People go broke. What's gonna happen in 2020? More people are gonna go broke. Banks never gonna lose money. This is just, they put it in front of your face. You're just failing to see it. Okay? Now, I don't believe this is just it because of a financial, this is part of it, but there is much deeper into this. Okay? Not sure how many of you guys, know. It's a concept, basically, a new world order. All right. The new world order, you can go search it. I can't go through it right now, but it's actually one of the purpose of this new world order is having one currency. Okay. This currency, this virus, I'm not sure if you guys saw it, but they said cash can carry this virus. So it's better to stop the use of the cash. So right now we are getting this, people going that, okay, let's not use the cash. So it's an opportunity for the whole world, because right now, we have different currencies. Okay, yeah, this tweet is real. You can go check it. So people around the world don't want to use cash anymore. So it's better to have, go digital. And when you go digital, you don't want to pay fees to the PayPal all the time, because you want to send the money to somewhere else. And cryptocurrency was another solution that was created before that problem. That's a way for the market makers, or whoever that, whoever that is, that, creating this master plan. They want to go digital. And basically, what I have right here in front of you is how Bitcoin is trapping sellers right now. I saw somebody, some people calling Bitcoin at $150. Somebody called it at 2,000. So those are getting trapped for the next bull run. That can, it takes time. It's just my theory that this virus will have, at least, if not will be the cause of this change, it will have a big effect of people moving to cryptocurrency, especially right now that it is. And another reason that can be the solution, in my opinion, is the vaccine, guys. I see you guys are mentioning it in the chat. I'm glad you see, you guys are, doing some research, So the vaccine also is some sort of profitable business, right? And you don't actually know what they're gonna put on that thing that's gonna inject to you. What's gonna happen to you later, God knows. Okay. So I'm not really, I rather make myself so much healthy and, my body powerful, so I don't need vaccine. Okay. Now this is another chart for Canadian index. What happened right now? I heard in news that this is the low that was created 84 years ago. Yeah, 84 years ago. So you can see, from now on we're gonna move a little more to the technical part. I hope you guys, thanks for listening to what I had to say. So what I want to tell you guys that you have a lot of information out there. Forexia and myself having a lot of content out there, and I want to show you how you actually could make money from this exact topic that we are talking about. You could make money from coronavirus just like I did, by understanding traps, and not even understanding crazy type of traps, but just what the money do. you know What the money do, my book, you can read it, and there is a simple rule on it about the reversal that says when there is an uptrend and resistance became support, retail getting trapped, market reverse. And if it's a downtrend and if a support became resistant, most likely price gonna reverse and go up. So simple as that. In a daily chart, you could draw this trend, multiple touch, price stayed in this trend around this touch of the trend line for longer time, breaking this high, accumulating for good amount of time around December. They in December they broke this high and went higher, trapping more buyers, and then boom, look what happened next. All right. So I'm going to show you some more examples also from the trades I took actually this week. So you can go and see yourself that, go see it. This is fresh. Week is not even done. It's Friday. And I have this examples for you, trades that I took. So you can see it wasn't any different for me. It was simple traps, the same trap, same pattern. The only thing that was different was massive candles. So like I couldn't get in really with like 10 pips stop loss anymore. I was actually before this thing happened, I was going even lower. So now I have to even go higher. So I had 50 pips stop loss. I'm gonna actually show you guys one of my 50 pips stop loss hit. Um, these are also more like 30. So the only difference was stop loss for me. Okay, a structure was same. That's GBP USD. Monday price basically broke this high. In Friday, they gap open, they made this resistance became support, consolidated for the whole Monday, and also Asian session in Tuesday, they came down. They didn't really break it, because retail trader can draw this a little different. So when I saw DMA cross down, I kind of, it's confirming for me that this actually trapped people. And then with momentum losing down, DMA is crossing and price failing to, break it back up. Also see how that trend, got respected or basically created more. So I send this to Academy. Didn't actually send it to the platform due to the, the market condition. I just send it to the chat room and also my VIP. So this basically was around 200 something pip that should drop, and look how even more, that was around 350 pips of drop I was expecting. And yesterday it actually went even more than for 550 pips. Now for me it's I'm more like a day trader, so I actually sold here, closed here. I was actually up, sold here, went back to sleep, and then um I woke when I woke up, it was here around 175 people or something. I closed. Next day, I was actually in a live session with Mark when London opened. This week happened here, and then price came right back up to the zone. Now I don't have the DMA on chart, but the moment I saw this rejection to this retail traders zone, and price coming back up, I realized that they're trapping and they're actually continuing. So my analysis is correct. So I sold again around here. After this engulfing candle, price came back around here. So after New York open, price pushed a little higher. So I took my entry stop loss above this high, and basically got out here. And this one, both of these trade, I took it in two different accounts, but in this one was just one account. Oops, sorry. Oh, that side. So this one was just in one account. So 550 pips of this move, but as I said, I take it in multiple accounts, so you can do the math. The next trade I took was Euro USD. This one 230 pips, hit the take profit already in this zone TP2, and we actually got another sell right before London, which is in profit. I think I'm not really updated right now, not really. So this was another 230 pips, same exact setup. Uptrend, high was broken, whole Monday, consolidated, trapping buyers, failed to break this zone. You know, one last touch to the trend line, induce people one last time, and you can see touch the trend, come back up to finally break it, goes to the consolidation, and then one more breakout to the upside, because you know retail will draw another kind of zones here. So one more breakout to the upside, form the M formation. I got in right here. Again, I was live with Mark in the session where I took the sell, went to a little bit of drawdown, and went down for 230 pips. The next trade, AUD USD, we had that uptrend again, broke on Friday, trap buyers. You can see how traders can get trapped here, hold over the weekend, goodbye their accounts. Like I think I saw over 12 fully blown account screenshot that was sent, you know, in different groups that I am. And the sad thing is some of them are actually, you know, they feel proud, you know, they feel like they are man, you know. So I wasn't in this, I didn't participate in this trade. I did not see that coming that soon. I wanted to see more consolidation, you know, right here before they go down. I was suspicious about the gap. I didn't took the chance because I don't really take the trade first 8 hours of the Monday. But this crash gave me insight that they're gonna come back and feel this week. And right after, you know, they pushed down, stop hunted everybody who tried to be smart and take the sell here, stop them out, eat their money. And then once they, you know, momentum came back down, we see another DMA cross down, failed to break it higher. So after London, I took a sell. Stop loss was pretty good. I think it was 20 pips, if I'm not wrong. And my take profit was below the week. Again, I took this sell here, and then I took another sell here, hold it back down to around here. Actually, take profit was hit when I was sleeping. So pretty good trades. And the last one, gold. I know Golden Boy here in the chat. He loves the gold, and he put all this kind of buy limit, sell limit. So another uptrend was created. Same story. This is actually NFP. I took the sell in NFP because I saw London broke this high, consolidated there. I sold for the NFP. I saw this profit just went up break even, hit on break even, got another sell here and take profit at DMA 400 pips. Pretty great. It couldn't be more accurate. And notice how they issue that VIC, which retail see as rejection, then comes back up, trap everybody up here, and consolidates above these highs. And this is a support kind of you can draw. So consolidate there, again goes below DMAs. I start seeing DMA cross, and I start seeing price failing to break higher. So I took a sell here with 50 pips stop loss, which I usually don't, but I did it due to the market condition. Got stopped out. I was right, but no panic or anything. Waited and got another sell here for 760 pip. Beautiful trade. And that's a total of 1,750 pips for me this week. That's the reason I call myself Golden Pips Generator, because I'm good at it. So 1,750 pips, and I literally showed you every single, I literally showed you every single trade. Let me go back there, sorry. And yeah, before and after, and you can talk with people in the community. They usually know I'm not trying to show you guys how good I am. It's more like showing you possibilities. If I can do it, you can do it too. Okay, we have all this knowledge out there, and I'm literally telling you that it's all these trades started from my free book. By taking the setup of my free book, you could take all these pips that I got. All right, so that's pretty much it. For those who were guests in this session was hosted for Forexia Academy, and live session every day is one of the features of this great academy. Super affordable price, $100 initial fee, $60 per month. So if you're not part of it, please do join, because this is the best thing that you can do, and it's a good favor to yourself. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me stop the recording.